everyone. Today we are gonna make some s'more M&M cookies. What are they called, Mom Monk?
I think they are chocolate chip M&M s'more.
Let me show you my new bird if you haven't seen. His name is Daffodil. Daffodil.
Okay, so we're gonna preheat the oven. We're gonna preheat the oven to 375. Now we're gonna mix our ingredients.
Okay, so 2 eggs, butter, salt, vanilla, brown sugar, flour, baking soda, sugar, chocolate chips, caramel M&Ms. So good, right, Mom Monkey?
Mm-hmm.
And some marshmallows. Yeah, and we're gonna mix it all up in the mixer. And these, yeah, those are at the very end when the cookies cool off. Good?
Yes. So how much of that are you doing?
2.
Which would be 1 teaspoon.
I'm sorry about that. What? Sorry about that. Okay, so now, same with baking soda.
Yes, 1 teaspoon.
Sorry, Mom Monkey, for that. How did you get this? That?
Okay. Okay, so we're done with those. Now you need 2 cups of flour and 1/4 cup of flour.
Okay, so one of this scoop and one of this scoop?
2 of the big one,
Oh, 2 of the big one and 1 of
2 cups, and 1/4.
That?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, this much flour.
Now 1/4. Okay. Now let's see what we do next. Now we are going to soften and melt the butter. Okay, the butter has melted.
Mm-hmm.
Putting it in the mixer.
Okay, so now, what next? Sugar or vanilla?
You can do a teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla!
Oh, yeah. Ow. Yeah, okay.
Do it over the bowl.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's half a teaspoon, so we need 1 more.
Oh, yeah, I forgot 1 more.
Okay. Now you can do your sugars.
Oh, sugar. How do you open it? Here we go. Okay. Sugar, sugar, sugar!
So we need 3/4, and that's a 1/4 cup, so we need 3 of them. And the oven's ready. We got 1,
Oh, stop beeping. Oh.
2,
3.
3. Okay, now we're gonna do brown sugar.
Ooh, brown sugar! Right?
Okay. Now 3/4 brown sugar.
So good. Why? It's so good, Mom Monkey.
Yeah, it's sugar.
Mm-hmm. Show how now?
Yes.
Oh, that is so good. Super good.
Okay, that was 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Your shells? Okay.
Ew.
2. Good. Alright. Now we're going to start the mixer.
Oh! Yeah. Are we gonna put the eggs in?
After we start it for a minute.
Okay.
So start it, put it on the lowest level.
Okay, can I put the eggs? Okay, so lowest level?
Mhm.
Which side?
This side?
That's the lowest?
Yes. So we have that mixing. You can add in the egg. Alright, turn it up just a little.
More? It looks like applesauce on those. Doesn't it?
Okay, you can put it on one more for a minute.
Doesn't it almost look like applesauce?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Add in the flour,
Okay, so
just a little at a time.
little at a time like
But we're
that
going to
too
keep this going. Okay? Keep going.
Faster?
Yeah.
More?
Open this up a little. Well, no, we're going to wait.
So all the flour's in?
Yes, put the flour everywhere.
Yeah. Isn't it flour supposed to be sticky with water? Like super sticky with water?
Anything wet, yes.
Is there anything wet in there?
Yes.
What? Well, I guess there's like vanilla, butter, and all that. Yeah,
And the
yeah.
eggs, yes.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the eggs. So we're using all this?
Yes.
Everybody, you want me to tell you a joke? Okay, so Mommy Monkey opened the back of her car, and the jug of tea fell out of the back, so it's dirt tea. Oh,
That was not funny.
yes it was. You were laughing. I heard you.
Okay, now let's turn it up a little bit.
More?
Yes.
Right on fast. The backing?
Whoa.
That's fast.
Looks good.
So push this down to mix the edges.
Yes. Mmm. Push down right here where there's some flour still.
This makes me think of brownies because when I use this spoon, we used to like lick the brownie or the like brownie off of it. Remember?
Yeah.
So
Okay, turn it on for another minute.
how like four?
Now what?
We're gonna put chocolate chips and M&M's.
Where, in your mouth?
Yeah.
Okay, so got some M&Ms in there. I got some chocolate chips.
These caramel M&Ms are so good.
We got chocolate chips, caramel.
More?
Yeah, put a couple. Then we're gonna put it on low for a second.
More?
That's good, that's good. Let's mix it and see what it looks like.
These are so good.
Let's mix it and see what it looks like. Ooh, Okay, let's stop it.
Are you sure we have enough M&Ms?
No, put some more in.
Yeah. The rest?
Sure.
So we don't need more?
No, we're good. so mix it up just a little bit more.
Good?
Okay, yes. So now we're gonna make some cookies. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so the one that has the most M&Ms you have to say for me.
Okay, I'll save it for me.
No.
That's what he said. Save for me.
No.
What are you doing?
I don't know how to like.
Do I have to do everything around here?
That's how you do it. Oh yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna put the. Please don't put that one in the cookie. So now we're gonna put some marshmallows in the middle.
So we're gonna have to like break them in half.
Okay.
So yeah. Like.
Oh.
I don't like to touch sticky stuff.
Very nice. Very. Okay. I better help.
Huh?
Wow, they look delicious.
Yes. So they go in the oven for about like 10 minutes.
See you in 10 minutes. Bye bye. What do you think? These were the first batch.
Yeah.
And then we learned after the first one how to do it.
Yeah.
These look much better.
Yeah. But these ones still look good.
Are they
Ooh,
hot?
The M&Ms. Ooh. Okay, so now it's time to do these gel.
Are they cooled off?
Yeah, they are.
Okay.
Might not look blue. Oh yeah. Oh, looks like it's the nose with the.
Yeah. Marshmallow nose. I want to try one. Okay. Can
Wow,
you
look
guess what mine is?
Look how good my monkey is. It's a Christmas tree.
Yes.
Oh, let me draw something. Let's see. Which one can I like go over?
Very good.
Leah. Star, see?
Mm-hmm.
Heart.
Yes.
Smiley face.
That's my favorite.
So snowman?
Huh?
Mine don't look good.
Oh. Using the marshmallow as the middle. What in the world?
It's a hat. See? It's not good.
Not bad, not bad. Need some arms. Nice, nice. Okay, another arm. Okay. Not bad, not bad.
Not really bad. Let's see, I guess. I think I need. Do you know what I'm spelling? That's M-O.
Mommy.
No. N. That's like the worst N ever. K.
Mm-hmm.
E.
Okay, spelling money.
What?
Money.
What?
Money.
Hold on, how do you draw Y like that? It's
Oh,
a-
you spelled monkey.
Yeah,
Okay, I see now.
I couldn't really. It's kind of sloppy.
What do you think?
I really like them. Oh, let's try. Let's see. Let's do one that spelled my name. Let's try this. It looks so good. I'm getting a bit away because it's marshmallow. That is good.
What do you rate it?
Maybe like an 8.
Well, now it's time to say bye.
Bye, everyone. B-A-N-A-N-A-S bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S bananas.
Cookies!
Cookies, yes. Cookies. They are so good. They are so good. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Leelee, did you have something else to say?
Make sure if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Bye.